Yes, I'm so excited to go to the beach with all of my friends.
You walked in like a movie scene. Black coat, silver chain, 17. In my costume.
Bye, Mom. Love you. Hi, guys.
Hey, Abby.
Have you seen my boyfriend?
No, girl. I haven't.
Okay, just wanted to know.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Fall past your hands. Coffee cup leaves start to dance. You laugh and say it's getting cold.
Hey Abby.
Hey, Liam. What do you want to do?
I don't know. What do you want to do?
You walked in like a movie scene. Black coat, silver chain, 17. In my costume.
Hi, Autumn.
Hey, Eleanor.
Abby.
Yes.
Tell me a joke.
Okay.
Guess what?
What?
Lol.
Chicken nuggets.
It's love.
Fall past your hands. Coffee cup leaves start to dance.
What? No.
No, she stole him.
Eleanor. He likes her, not you.
I know.
These pictures are eating, girl.
Hey, Liam?
Hi, Eleanor.
Why were you crying?
No reason.
Oh, okay.
Eleanor, I have to tell you something. I like you.
We can talk about this later.
Oh, okay.
You know, I can't like you. Your girlfriend is gonna get so mad at me.
Why do you care about her now? You never cared about her.
You know what? She is your girlfriend, though.
Okay, and
Okay, and what? I'm sorry, I can't.
yes, you can, Eleanor.
No, I can't.
But I like you a lot.
I'm so sorry.
It's fine. Okay, just tell me if you like me.
Okay. Do you know what? I do like you.
I like you too a lot.
Fall past your hands. Coffee cup leaves start to dance.
Why did you kiss me?
I thought you liked me.
I'm sorry, I have a girlfriend.
Okay. And
And I love her.
you said you love me, not her.
I don't care.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
You guys are TTT together?
No, we are not.
Why are you lying? We are together.
Liam, that's just messed up. And plus, you're dating Abby, not her.
Nobody's here now. I do like you, though.
Me too.
Oh my god, Abby, are you okay?
Why would he do that to me?
I don't know, Abby, but are you okay, though?
Number.
I love you.
I love you too, Eleanor.
What? This is so crazy laughing out loud. Oh my god, I feel bad for that girl.
No, where is he going?
Abby, I'm so sorry.
No, you were not.
Yes, I am.
Just stop. You could have kissed Eleanor if you loved her.
Autumn, shut up.
No, because she is my best friend. Let's go, Abby.
No. She is so annoying. Whatever, she could go if she wants.
I hate you. Eleanor, you had to steal my boyfriend.
I'm so sorry, Abby.
Who cares?
Who cares about you, Abby?
You do because you said that you care about me.
Stop, girls. I will be talking to your guy's mother.
Wait, me too.
Yes, you too.
But I did nothing.
Okay, and you were dating Abby? Say sorry?
What? No.
Abby, you attacked her over a guy so disappointing I didn't know. I was gonna have to talk to parents today.
I'm sorry.
Well, you attack.
Oh no, it's my fault.
No, please.
Fall past your hands. Cough.
Yes, I'm so sorry. Abby, I have to tell your mom.
Oh no, my mom is here.
Hi, honey.
Hi, Ma.
Why is the lifeguard coming over here?
I don't know.
Hi, I need to talk to you about what happened today with Abby and Eleanor.
Oh, what happened?
Abby attacked a girl.
Oh my gosh.
I will have a talk with her.
Okay. But please have a talk with her.
Okay, thank you for letting me know. I will have a talked out with her.
Yeah.